Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to the 28 Days Eat with Hu's Kitchen video series. Today is day 17. If you haven't watched my tofu videos from yesterday, if you want to know what I can cook with tofu, I will put the link above. Make sure you check it out. Today, the hero ingredient is aubergine. In some countries, you might call it eggplants. So today, I'm going to show you guys 3 amazing aubergine dishes. Rather than give you guys a breakfast idea for the aubergine, I'm going to give you guys a brunch aubergine idea, a lunch aubergine idea, and a dinner aubergine idea. So for your brunch, I'm going to show you guys make a super fast, delicious, light dish. It's the grilled aubergine. Honestly, it's super fast and so easy to make. Everybody in your household can make it. So first of all, we are going to need an aubergine. Now, I'm going to preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius with fan. Or if you say your oven doesn't have a fan, you can preheat your oven to 220 degrees. So my oven has reached temperature. I'm going to put my aubergine on a baking tray. As you guys can see, I put some baking paper on my baking tray already. So I have washed my aubergine. I'm just going to pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes and then we'll see. Now I'm going to show you guys make the topping of the grilled aubergine. This part is really important because without this topping, your aubergine won't taste anything at all. So here I got 6 garlic cloves, finely chopped, 2 spring onions, finely chopped, and I also got 4 bird eye chilies here, and just slice them to small bits. And we are going to put everything in a bowl first. So I'm just gonna bend my chopping board, and hopefully they all gonna go in. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in a few ingredients. I will need 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, and here I'm using a garlic infused olive oil. So basically it's a garlic flavored olive oil. So I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon. Then we'll need 1/8 of a teaspoon of cumin powder or ground cumin. So cumin. Then we are going to add in some salt and pepper. Then we are going to give everything a good mix. Smells nice. Here I got my aubergine out of the oven. So when you just gently touch it, it has gone soft. That means it's fine for this step. If it's still solid hard, you might want to pop it back in for another 5 to 10 minutes. So here I got my aubergine. I'm just going to slice it. So here we need to be really gentle because we only want to open the aubergine without slice it. So I will probably go in and halfway, and then we're going to cut the aubergine open. Now I'm going to put all the sauce and all the ingredients in this glass bowl on the aubergine. So we are just going to spoon on first. Like this. Now I'm gonna pop the aubergine back in the oven for 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes. I just got my aubergines out. I'm going to bring it over and plate it up. Wow, smells so nice. Right. Now I'm gonna quickly plate it up and I'll be back in a sec. Here is my homemade grilled aubergine. Honestly, look at this. It's so pretty and so simple and easy to make. Right, now it's the most important part. Try my brunch. Wow, smells so good. Oh god. Right, let me have some sauce on. Have some spring onion. Wow! Honestly, this grilled aubergine is packed with flavor. It's so delicious and super juicy. You don't need to do much regarding cook it, and follow my recipe. It's super delicious, so easy to make. Everybody can make it. Now I'm gonna enjoy my brunch. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye.